You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words in English. They look a bit similar. They could be pronounced the same way, but they're not. The top word is from the verb weaken, which is to make something less powerful. Weakened. The top word on your screen is pronounced weakened. Weakened. Stress on the first syllable. Weakened. The bottom word is pronounced weekend. Week and weekend, which is the end of the week, Saturday and Sunday, the weekend. Weekend. Top word on your screen, weekend versus weekend. Can you hear the difference? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Listen one more time. Weekend, weekend. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.